In this video, I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters inside of Higgsfield AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to head on over to Higgsfield AI. And I suggest signing into your account or creating a new account. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto character, then under models click on sole ID character so we can create a unique character. So as it states here, we can make your own character, so upload photos from multiple angles to train your character, then use the same consistent character across new images and video. That's exactly what we're after. So go ahead and click on create character. So now it's pretty self-explanatory. So we need 20 photos recommended, one person, clear face, multiple angles, and they got demonstrations here. So you can see the different angles they're using on this woman here. Now we want to avoid duplicates or group shots, filters, and face coverings because that's going to give you really bad results. So yeah, keep them nice and clear with multiple angles. So click on upload and then click on I've read, click on upload again, and now upload your 20 characters. And then once you've done that, it's going to come back here. Then we can use that as a reference and you can create your characters using your video or image prompts.